Let's talk about the new GPT 4.1 Nano model and what type of application we can create with. It's part of the new family of 4.1 models that include the GPT 4.1 and the GPT 4.1 Mini. The new 4.1 Nano model is the lightest, fastest, and most affordable model available right now in the GPT family. What makes this model truly special is the ability to process up to 1 million input tokens. That's around 750,000 words, and generate a response up to 30,000 tokens, which equal 25,000 words. What about the cost? For the 1 million input token, it's just 10 cents. This model is especially designed for developers, and you can interact with through the playground or using an app like my ChatGPT Development Kit, which is available on my website. Its intelligence level is rated at 2, which means the creativity and generation are somewhat limited and can feel a bit monotonous. So if you're asking what kind of application you can build with this model, well, it's ideal for working with long documents, analyzing multiple files, or documenting your code. For business, it can help with the inventory management, review analysis, or understanding customer sentiment from feedback. This new model shows that you don't need the biggest model to create something useful. It's fast, affordable, and with a large capacity, making it an incredible tool for a wide range of users. But if you want to learn to create your own backend with Python Fast API and connect it to the OpenAI SDK, then I recommend that you watch this next video.